Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Stellar's is definitely a very good institute on basis of my experience in preparing for Neet, it was definitely very helpful, very beneficial. And the teachers also were really good. At the same time, self-study is as important as what the teachers teach you. So if anyone is aspiring to be a doctor, I would recommend coming to Stellar's. For almost a year, we had online classes. So during the pandemic, it wasn't, even though it was online, the teachers did their best. They put up presentations, they taught us online, and they made us answer questions. It was, if not the same, but better. It was even better than what we had in physical classrooms. At the same time, there was no traveling factor, so a lot of time got saved traveling to and fro the institute. So it did help a lot. The teachers did their best and pushed us throughout the pandemic, throughout the 1 year that we spent in online classes. And also a major factor that helped was the physical mock test that Stellars had for us before Neet. So those exams, those mock tests were exactly like what the final Neet exam would be, and that helped us a lot. As per my experience at Stellars, I feel it's one of the best coaching institutes because the teachers that were selected for our course had really good experience, taught really well, and just brought out the best in us. And also the staff at Stellars is very open, very helpful. At every step, whether we had a doubt or whether we wanted to postpone some test or whether we had we wanted some questions to solve, they always were very open, very quick and very efficient, and always treated us like friends. So we never had any problem at this institute. The number one thing I would like to tell anyone, all aspirants, whether it is engineering or medicine, whether it's NEET or JEE, the thing you need to know is whether you actually want to become a doctor, whether you're actually aspiring to become a doctor or an engineer, or you're just acting on the pressure of your parents or your friends or your relatives. It should be your own choice. If you're really motivated to become a doctor, to become an engineer, then you will study, then you will do your best, and that is when the results will show. So before anything, uh, decide with yourself. Do you want to become a doctor? If the answer is yes, then just go for it. Give your best, and you can be sure that the results will be in your favor. After coming first in the state and getting the highest ever score in Goa in the history of NEET, I'm definitely very happy. But at the same time, if you see last year, the highest NEET score was a perfect score of 722 students got it, and this year 3 students have got it in India. So I would like, and we as Goans are capable of much higher scores, much more. If we put a little more effort, we can get even more scores. So in the future years, I hope that, and I am confident that Goans will reach even 690, 700, and even 720 one day. So I wish all future aspirants best of luck and continue to achieve your dreams.
After clearing NEET with flying colors, I felt immense happiness because the hard work and dedication of 2 years had finally paid off. Answering NEET this year wasn't a very easy task because of the uncertainties due to the pandemic, but I think because of the efforts of the stellar faculty and my family, I was able to get through this. I would definitely recommend Stellar Academy to my juniors. I think by joining Stellar Academy, I made the right decisions. Not only the teachers have good expertise in their subject, they are also very supportive, and even the admin staff, they are very cooperative. And also Jigni ma'am's constant effort and motivation helped me be focused and kept me guided to this journey. In the beginning of this pandemic, it wasn't very easy because of the online mode of learning, but eventually, due to their efforts, everything fell in place. And before NEET, a few months before NEET, we got a very good practice of offline test, which helped us, create a very exam-like environment and gave us OMR practice, which helped us a lot in answering NEET. I had a very great experience at Stella Academy because of the teachers and also the admin staff. I would focus on one point here which gave us a boost in preparing for NEET is the offline test, which had a very good environment, exam-like environment, and gave us OMR practice, which helped us panic less in the actual NEET exam. So that was a big boost for us in the NEET exam. In the last few days of my preparation of NEET, I had Sir Yogendra's words in the back of my mind that consistency is the key. So tell my juniors that be consistent, put in hard work, aim for high, and give in your best effort, and to never give up, because you'll face many highs and lows during this journey. So it's very important to be focused and to never give up. I would really like to thank my mom, my family, and my extended family, and my brother, and also Faisal sir, who was always very supportive. He always had the solution to all problems and always got it solved within 5 minutes whenever I would approach him. And also the admin staff, Feena ma'am, Fatima ma'am, they were always very supportive and very constantly helping me. Also Asma ma'am, Jigni ma'am, they were always there by my side and always kept in touch and never felt like it was happening all online. Rather, gave us a home-like environment here at Stellar. Sal sir was always there to clear my doubts and had great expertise in his subject. Yogendra sir was always helpful and always motivated us because physics is definitely a difficult subject compared to the rest, but with Yogendra sir's guidance and support, we were able to score good marks in physics. So I would really like to thank Stellar and even my family.
After clearing NEET, I feel extremely relieved and overwhelmed that the efforts I put in, especially those of my parents and teachers, have paid off. Stellar Academy helped me to unlock the potential within me. As Yogendra sir used to always say, we have a limitless potential within us, and just to believe in ourselves. Sahil sir, our chemistry teacher, used to have utmost patience in answering our doubts. Yogendra sir, our physics sir, he even during the late nights, he used to answer my doubts, however late it was, 12 o'clock, midnight. Dr. Jigni ma'am's unique way of teaching zoology helped me clear my exam. She used to give us numerous mnemonics to help us memorize biology. And Asma ma'am used to teach us with utmost dedication. I will definitely recommend Stellar Academy to my juniors and siblings. Since last year, everything went online, but Stellar Academy, its faculty and teachers made us feel as if we were in class. Stellar Academy is better than other coaching institutes because the faculty and its teachers continuously keeps us motivated. The numerous classroom tests we had helped us to answer the NEET exam in a stipulated time frame. To my juniors who aspire to become doctors or engineers, I would like to say, never lose focus of your dreams, of your goal. Continue, strive, persevere, and have a balance. It is very important to keep a balance between play, prayer, and studies. I would like to acknowledge God because I believe that I have cleared NEET 21 only because of His grace. I would like to thank my teachers, my parents, and the entire faculty of Stellar Academy for their continuous support in my journey for NEET 21.